Now they go back to the other section. Like I said, I don't know why they throw those other ones in there, but they did. Solving an inequality. We solve inequalities just like we solve equations, except if you end up multiplying or dividing by a negative, you end up reversing your inequality. 9 times out of 10 it's dividing, but on occasion we end up multiplying by a negative and we have to flip our inequality sign. So if I'm going to solve this one, first thing I'm going to do is move my 7 to the other side, so negative 20 is less than negative 5u. And on the adding and subtracting, that sign's always going to stay in the same direction. Then we look and say, oh, I've got to divide by a negative 5. Since this value, my coefficient is negative, I end up reversing my inequality. So 4 is greater than u. Now on Alex, it does let you enter it in as 4 is greater than u. Sometimes some books will make you switch it around because they like the u first. So if 4 is greater than u, then u is less than 4 would also be an appropriate answer. So on number 17, if we're going to solve that for y, we would do what? Subtract our 22, and we'd have negative 7y is greater than negative 14. And then we end up dividing by negative 7, and so our answer would be
y is less than 2.
Y is less than 2. Again, we divided by a negative, so we ended up flipping our inequality sign. Number 18, if we're going to solve that, we're going to add the 18, and we would get 12 is greater than or equal to 2v. When we divide by 2, our answer would be 6 is greater than or equal to v, or v is less than or equal to 6. So they review that with you because then they want to move into those ones with fractions.